In this guide, we're going over how you can download PC games for free. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this video actually follows YouTube's community guidelines as well as copyright guidelines as well, because what we're going to be using is trusted platforms like Steam, Epic Games Store, and so much more. But for example, on Steam, and I can open up this real quick, you're going to want to essentially just install the launcher, open it up, create an account, and then once you're in this section, go to the store section where you can actually go ahead and search the store for free. Once you search it for free, you're going to see all of the free games that Steam has to offer, and there is so many on here, including Destiny 2 right now, which is actually pretty crazy that it's free. That's not it though. On the Epic Games Store, you could just install the launcher and then claim free games that they give out weekly. To do this, once again, you kind of just go to this section and you search for free. And after you do that, it's going to show you all of those free options on here. And there is a lot of them. Now, they usually do deals on their homepage more so, which is the Discover page right here. And if you scroll down, you're going to see a free game section. You can hit view more and see all of these games. Some other things would include GOG, and you can just go to the store and then you can filter it by price, or once again, you could just search specifically for free and it's going to show you all these free games. You could also use something like itch.io, and of course you can once again browse or just search by free. And there's a ton of free games on here, all of which on this one are like indie titles, which is pretty cool. But what you can also do is go to the Microsoft Store just by searching up Microsoft Store on your PC. And then if you go to this little gaming section, just like so, there's actually going to be a free game section. We could select this and browse all of this. All these platforms are 100% safe and legal to use, so it's worth checking out if you're trying to get some free games. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before we do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.